Caught a bug, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the English phrase, caught a bug. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Let's dive in and explore what this phrase means in different contexts. When we hear, caught a bug, the first thing that might come to mind is literally catching an insect with our hands. It's a straightforward action, isn't it? But in English, phrases often have more than just a literal meaning. In everyday conversation, caught a bug usually has a figurative meaning. It means to become sick, often with a cold or a virus. If someone says, "I've caught a bug," they're likely telling you they're not feeling well because of a minor illness. Have you ever wondered where this phrase comes from? Caught a bug might have originated from the idea that tiny germs and viruses can invade our bodies like insects. It's a metaphor that has caught on over time. How can you use caught a bug in a sentence? Let's look at some examples. I won't be coming to work today. I've caught a bug and need to rest. There's a lot of flu going around. I hope I don't catch a bug. Interestingly, caught a bug can also mean developing a sudden interest in something, like a hobby. For example, ever since she took her first dance class, she's really caught the dance bug. And that's a wrap on the phrase, caught a bug. Whether it's dealing with a cold or finding a new passion, it's a versatile phrase you can use in many ways. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to seeing you use this phrase in your English conversations. Stay healthy, and catch you next time.